That's fucking crazy. We're fucking crazy over here. Fuck you. I'll tell you what I did today. Like if you fucking care or not, right? So, didn't do nothing up there except smoke. You know? Pulled the plants out. Fucking did a big old. A good thing out of plants there. Right? Did that with the peat moss. I don't know about that one. It's gonna be good enough, and then I'm maybe do these two tomorrow. Those three there should take off. And then I did that little tiny one. And that's it. Crappy dappy doo. There's my fucking base. When I left with Jackson, literally, that's fucking crap. We're all gonna die. I can't kill soon. I'm gonna die with a fucking Stromberg Carlson. A motherfucking goddamn Ozzy tattoo on my asshole. Nah, fuck no, I'll make it. God, I'll make it. I won't fuck. Well, that's it. That's what I did. Oh, no, I did do shit up there too, but I can't show you. Can't see it. Well, later. Gator.